tomato and bacon pizza. Ingredients: 3 strips bacon, 1 by 1/3 recipe pizza dough, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup hearty pizza sauce, strained, 6 ounces fresh mozzarella, cubed, 1 plum tomato, cut into half-inch slices, 1/4 medium onion, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon thinly sliced basil. Instructions: lay the bacon slices evenly on the broiler pan of the Cuisinart registered convection toaster oven broiler with the rack in position C. Broil for about 8 minutes, or until bacon is almost crisp. Reserve. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit on the bake setting with the rack in position A. Roll out dough into a 12-inch circle. Brush the outer edge of the dough with olive oil. Bake in preheated oven for about 6 to 8 minutes, or until dough is lightly golden. Spread the sauce evenly over the dough. Top with the cheese, and then finish with the tomatoes, onions and basil. Bake pizza in preheated oven for about 12 to 14 minutes, or until the dough is nicely browned and the cheese is melted and bubbling on top. Remove the pizza from the oven, cut into slices and serve immediately.